I see a lot of business owners talking about metrics like, including email marketers like me, talking about metrics like open rates, unsubscribe rates, click rates, conversion rates, and all of the metrics you all know about, which are, by the way, good, okay, because they somehow contribute to your email marketing growth. But I see very few of them, if not none of them, speak about one metric, which is email deliverability or the deliverability score. Because, and it feels weird to me because I believe email deliverability is at the foundation of every good email marketing system. And it's like you're talking of a house without even speaking of the foundation. How can you build a good house without using a good foundation? And so my advice is you need to stop focusing so much on your open rates and so on and so forth and focus more on email deliverability, because a lot of people out there have very poor deliverability. And so you need to fix that first before you start talking of refining subject lines, refining writing better emails, and so on and so forth. Because at the end of the day, you could do all of that. But if you don't have a good deliverability, they are not gonna count because all of your emails are gonna land in spam. And so nobody would convert in your email, nobody will open your email, nobody will even see your email. And so focus more on email deliverability first before you start focusing on refining refine because before you start focusing on having better open rates and so on and so forth. So if you love this video and you want to go further by building or scaling an email system within your business, then you can go on and click the link in the description to book a discovery call with us. And yeah, see you on the call.